Hi, this is Eric Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to access the service Diagnostics to read the error codes on a Whirlpool dishwasher. First, locate the dishwasher's tech sheet. The tech sheet is normally located on the back side of the lower access panel. The tech sheet schematic is located behind the insulation on the back side of the access panel on the bottom of the dishwasher. To remove, locate the retainers on either side of the panel. The access panel retainers are used to secure the access panel to the dishwasher's frame. The retainers are locked when they are oriented vertically. Using a flat-headed screwdriver, turn them a quarter turn to the left to release the locking mechanism. Pull the access panel forward gently, being careful not to rip the insulation. With access to the back of the access panel, gently lift the insulation up to remove the tech sheet from the dishwasher. Please note the instructions may vary by model. For our model dishwasher, press any 3 keys in a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 sequence with no more than 1 second pause between inputs. Once you've successfully entered Diagnostics mode, all the LEDs on the display will light up for 6 seconds. If your dishwasher has a display, the error code should appear there. On dishwashers without displays like ours, the high temp wash LED will blink, indicating the error code. Ours blinks 9 times, pauses, and blinks 2 times. The first number of blinks represents the function code, and the second number of blinks represents the problem code. When referencing the tech sheet, we'll see that 9.2 is an error code that indicates the diverter is stuck on. If you need any parts for your dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher will show the same error code 3 times in a row unless the start key is pressed, which advances the system to the next error code. Let's press the start key on our machine. After advancing the error code, the high temp wash LED blinks 9 times, pauses, and blinks once. When referencing the tech sheet, we will see that 9.1 is an error code that indicates the diverter cannot find the position. Error codes provide an excellent starting point for troubleshooting. Once you've discovered an error code, you can troubleshoot that area of the dishwasher. The tech sheet will often list troubleshooting steps for each error code. For example, because both of the error codes on our machine produced related to a problem with the diverter motor, we would start by inspecting that area of the dishwasher to find the root cause of the problem. The dishwasher stores up to 4 error codes. Once you've finished reading the error codes, you can exit Diagnostics mode by holding down cancel or disconnecting power to the dishwasher. Let us know in the comments below if this helped you troubleshoot your dishwasher and what error codes you found, and leave us a like and subscribe for more videos like this.